This is a very monumental event. I thought we were just trimming the tree. And most of the tree is gone. You can't really tell from this angle. But let me show you. Oh my god, look, it's all gone. They said it's rotten. They said it's all rotten. All this is rotten, and that if we have a party, it's all gonna fall on the baby.
Y es lo que me da miedo de dejárselos así. Porque mire cómo está todo podrido por acá dentro, mira.
Look at how rotten it is now.
Mire.
You see?
Por eso yo.
Like, it's not supposed to be dusty.
Huh?
It's not supposed to be like dusty.
No, it's not supposed to be hollow.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, like a cavity.
Yeah, it's.
Oh.
La verdad yo sí sé que lo quiere un chingo el arbolito, pero mejor quitarlo.
No, ahorita no, do. Porque
There goes my dream of building a tree house.
De este lado, fíjate de este lado.
Well, maybe by the time we die, you guys could build a tree house when you guys come back and visit.
Well, it's not going to be 100 years old like this. The only trees, if we plant it now, it's going to look like those trees.
Yeah, we don't want no branches falling before already.
Well, Uncle Richard has a lot to do to the pool anyway, so it's not like any of this makes a difference.
Just gotta be careful with that jigsaw.
Oh my gosh, he's just scared.
Oh my god.
I climb trees, but not that
I
high.
know that he wants to just cut it. That's one money for him, but I don't want to take down my tree.
No, not yet.
I gotta think of what tree I want to plant.
You better get your leaf blower out.
Fíjese, la otra rama igual está así.
I know
What did she say?
that the other branch is the same way.
The swing one? The one with the baby swing?
Ya no puedo poner columpio, ¿verdad? Está peligroso.
No, ya ni.
Peligroso. Lupio?
De milagro cuando se columpea.
¿Eh?
De milagro no se quiebra cuando se columpea.
He says
What's
not
what?
to put the baby on the swing because it's dangerous.
He's only 25 pounds. This is so sad. We didn't even name it.
It's an old tree. Yeah, the giving tree.
Silverstein.
Shell.
Okay, we'll name it Shell.
Gabby tree.
I'm sad.
Me? I didn't even want to trim it.
I know.
And
but
now it's like
danger zone.
bald.
Good thing he got
Come
that
out.
before.
Look at how dangerous it is over here. Look at.
I know.
Because it was glass that fell
Yeah.
off.
If you guys don't know anything about trees like me, it's not supposed to be hollow at all. Like a tooth. And so this tree has a lot of cavities.
Mira, todo este lo está echando a podrir, mira. Este hongo que tiene.
Yeah, and it shouldn't be like just breaking off like that, like pieces.
Y todo arriba tiene podrido. Espérate, la
Well, how about Monica's tree?
No. Any damn Monica's tree was that?
I don't know if hers is rotten either.
I thought they were just gonna do a little trim of the leaves.
Yeah, me too. And then they just started taking off branches.
Porque sí va a quedar pelón,
I mean, good thing they caught it, because if it fell on the baby.
Yeah, that's true. It's safer, but it's just so...
Sad.
I wasn't like ready for this.
I know.
Yo le puedo dar un precio más mejor así que venir otro día.
Like it used to be a whole round, and then now it's just like...
Este también, este también
Now it's
voy.
naked.
Now it's naked.
He wants to take it all off today, no?
No.
No.
No, porque tengo que hablar con mi esposo también. Yo le dije que no iba a quitar el árbol.
No, yo sé.
No, y luego se va a enojar él también. So, espere mejor. No ha llegado todavía del trabajo él.
Ok, lo recortamos ya si llega él y dice.
Ok, está bien.
Ok, ándale.
How is he gonna get the whole tree off?
Just to cut it all down. I don't want to cut it all
No,
down.
no. Everyone in here has their popcorn. Actually, I better make some popcorn. Mom, they're in the middle of cutting the tree. There's no way they're gonna be able to. Everyone's intently watching. I think he's trying to think about how he's gonna do this.
You better check Melanie because
Fuck, dude. The giving tree. I'm not out there because I'm gonna die from mushroom spores. Well, I confirmed with them. They said it's not good for a fire.
no.
Yeah, I asked them. I mean, I don't know if they're gonna tell me the truth, but